OBS Studio makes for a powerful screen and broadcasting tool. Apart from live streaming content, the open-source software can also seamlessly record computer screens and pick up audio. The user-friendly dashboard comes with a slew of customizing features for high-quality videos. This tutorial will show you how to record both your screen and audio with OBS Studio and save the file on your hard drive. Since the software is compatible with multiple operating systems, we included step-by-step instructions for each one. First, you can set up your output video. You can use MP4, .mkv or .avi. Now you can set up your display screen. In this tutorial I use two monitors so you can see I have two display. For saving is default Save in Video folder.